Spring is halfway there, summer is coming. It's time to talk about some yummy stuff. But before that, we'll be talking about when to eat them, how to eat them, okay? In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have seher yemeği. Seher yemeği. Seher yemeği is breakfast. Yeah, we're going to start with breakfast. Some phrases first and then sentence examples. Phrases first. To skip breakfast, breakfast meeting, or breakfast included. Let's see. Seher yemeğini ötürmek. Ötürmek, to skip, to pass by. Seher yemeğini ötürmek. You're right. Seher yemeğini ötürmek is what you say. Breakfast meeting, seher yemeği görüşü. Görüşü is a meeting. Seher yemeği dahildir is breakfast included. Dahil. Include, dahildir is included. All right? Now, let's discover some sentences. First one. İşe tələsdiyim günlərdə belə sağlam qalmaq üçün səhər yeməyi yeməkdən imtina etmirəm. Çünki günün qalan hissəsində diqqətimi toplamağa da kömək edir. Now, let's see what does this mean. It's a long sentence. We're going to break it down and then translate as such. Even on days when I'm rushing to work, işe tələsdiyim günlərdə belə, even, günlərdə, on days, işe tələsdiyim, when I'm rushing to work, iş, work, işe, to work. Sağlam qalmaq üçün səhər yeməyi yeməkdən imtina etmirəm. I don't skip breakfast to stay healthy. Sağlam qalmaq, to stay healthy. Üçün, for to, basically. Seher yemeği yemekten imtina etmirəm. I don't skip breakfast is the right translation, but the literal translation means I don't reject having breakfast, basically. İmtina, reject. Etmirəm, I don't. Now, because there's additional A, never mind it. Çünkü, because it also helps me to stay focused for the rest of the day. Günün qalan hissəsində for the rest of the day, diqqətimi toplamağa da also to stay focused, kömək edir, helps. All right? Next sentence. Həftə sonu dostlarla görüşəndə sadə və yüngül səhər yeməyi seçib, sonra gəzintiyə çıxmağı üstün tuturuq. Let's see. When meeting with friends on the weekend, we prefer to opt for a simple and light breakfast, and then head out for a walk. Now, həftə sonu dostlarla görüşəndə, when meeting friends on the weekend. Həftə sonu is a weekend. So it's the same logic here. Həftə, week, sonu, end of. Weekend, basically. Dostlarla. The literal translation is with friends. So dost, friend, dostlar, friends, dostlarla, with friends. Görüşəndə, when meeting. Sade ve yüngül, simple and light. Seher yemeği seçip to opt for breakfast. Which breakfast? Sade ve yüngül, simple and light breakfast. Seçip is to choose basically, opt for. Sonra gəzintiyə çıxmağı üstün tuturuq. And then head out for a walk. Sonra, then, later, after. In this case, then. Gəzintiyə çıxmağı üstün tuturuq. You opt in to do that. Üstün tutmaq, to opt in, to prefer, to choose. Okay? Now, that was the regular ways of using words seher yemeği. Let's see what I've got for you. My alarm thinks seher yemeği is optional. My stomach disagrees. All right. That was today's word. If you are interested in learning Azerbaijani deep,